Hi friends, welcome to our channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can easily delete posts in Instagram app. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Also put your likes, write your comments after watching the video. And let us get started with you. So open up the Instagram app for starters. Next, in the bottom right corner, go to your profile. And now in order to delete some post, first select the photo. Click on it. Next, at the top of the photo you will see 3 dots. Click on them. And this is where you'll see this menu of what you can do with this post. And at the very bottom you'll see Delete. Click. You'll have to confirm the action to delete the post. And after a few seconds, the post will be deleted. As you can see, the photo that was on the Instagram page has been deleted. Friends, this is the very simple and quick way you can easily delete your posts in Instagram app. I really hope this video was helpful for you and helped you. Please write your comments, put your likes, subscribe to our channel, and see you soon.